Hello students, let us read the question and try to understand what all is given in the question and what is asked. The binding energy of 14N nucleus is 16.75 picojoule and 14 carbon nucleus is 16.86 picojoule. Which nucleus is the decay product of other? तो क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमें दो न्यूक्लियाई दी हुई है 14N एंड 14 कार्बन, दोनों की बाइंडिंग एनर्जी भी दी हुई है. बाइंडिंग एनर्जी फॉर द 14N इज 16.76 पिकोजूल और बाइंडिंग एनर्जी फॉर द 14 कार्बन, दिस इज 14 कार्बन is equal to 16.86 picojoule. Now let us try to understand the key concept involved here. Key concept involved here is the binding energy. Binding energy. What is binding energy? Amount of energy. Amount of energy required to separate all the nucleons present in a nucleus. Let us consider a favorable decay reaction in which nuclei A converts into nuclei B and some energy is released. This is the favorable decay reaction. In such reaction, let us suppose the binding energy of the parent nuclei is Be1 and the binding energy of the daughter nuclei is Be2. From here, if we see that if some energy is released to balance out the energy on both sides, binding energy 2 should be greater than binding energy 1. From this result, we can say that in a favorable decay reaction, binding energy of the daughter nuclei will always be greater than the parent nuclei. This is daughter nuclei and this is the binding energy of the parent nuclei. Now let us see the question. In the question, the binding energy of the carbon is 16.86 picojoule, whereas the binding energy of the 14N is 16.76 joule. So the binding energy of 14 carbon is greater than the binding energy of 14 nitrogen. From here we can say that the carbon is a daughter nuclei. This is a daughter nuclei and the nitrogen is a parent nuclei. From here we can write our final answer. So our final answer is that the daughter nuclei, here in the question, which nucleus is the decay product? So the 14 carbon is the decay product of 14 nitrogen. Thank you so much.